Number 1, write the following isotopes in hyphenated form. So for example, we have carbon-14. But for our example, we have an isotope of 73 on the top, 36 on the bottom, and a Kr as the element. We just have to write it as some type of element. The example they gave us carbon, and then a number. So first things first, let's just identify what the element is, right? The element is always going to be the lettering. So in this case, our example, we have a Kr. Now you might know what the Kr is. Is it Christina? Just kidding. But that's me, Christina. Unfortunately, it's not, right? You might know what the element is, but you can always whip out that periodic table and find it, and you could write down the element. Kr is one of your noble gases. It's all the way over here. Sorry that this might be a little bit too small for you, but you could always whip out your own periodic table. But this is krypton. So Kr, Ypton. Okay, so we got the first part. Now we just have to attach a number to it. What is it? Krypton. Is it krypton 1, 2, 3? Well, the 14 in the example is always denoted for the atomic mass, because for a given element, the mass can change, right? This could have been carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. So we need to know what mass value we have. But we have two numbers here, a 73 on the top, 36 on the bottom. Which one is the mass number? Well, the mass number is always the higher number. So in this case, it's going to be the 73. That is the atomic mass. For any of you that wanting to know, the 36 is the atomic number. That's the number of krypton's protons. And for any element, their atomic number doesn't change. That's why 36 on the periodic table. That wouldn't give us any more information because a krypton always going to have 36 protons. But the mass can change, so that's why we have to write the mass down. So in this case, it would be krypton 37. Box that off, and that's the answer. How easy peasy lemon squeezy was that? Let's color this in and call it a video. And, oh boy. There we go. Oh boy, okay. Always, I gotta make sure that it's Christina proof. But anyway, I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. I love helping you guys out, and I hope you're having a great day out there. Thank you so much for your support. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, and if you want to, you can become a membership, or you can become a membership. AKA, you can be a member of the channel. We opened memberships up, and if you want to support us more than you already are, and you want more videos and more perks, check the members out. All right? So, yeah, but thank you so much thus far in this journey. This channel wouldn't be here without you guys, and thank you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.